Workshop agenda. Unlocking the key to effective meetings. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very useful term in the professional world, workshop agenda. Whether you're attending a meeting or planning one, understanding this term is essential. So, let's dive in and uncover its meaning and importance. In this section, we'll break down the terms workshop and agenda separately. Workshop. A workshop is a type of meeting, but it's more interactive and focused on hands-on activities or discussions. Unlike regular meetings, workshops are designed to encourage participation and learning. Agenda. An agenda is a list or a plan that outlines the topics or activities to be discussed or done. In a meeting or workshop, an agenda provides a clear guide for what will happen and in what order. Here, we'll explore why a workshop agenda is so important. Organization and focus. A workshop agenda helps in organizing the meeting and keeping it focused on specific goals. Time management. It aids in managing time effectively, ensuring that every topic gets adequate attention. Expectation setting. It sets clear expectations for the participants, so they know what to anticipate and how to prepare. In this section, we'll discuss tips on creating an effective agenda. Clarity and brevity. An agenda should be clear and concise. Avoid overly complex language or lengthy descriptions. Prioritization. Topics should be listed in order of importance or logical sequence. Flexibility. While an agenda should be followed, it's also important to be flexible and adapt to the workshop's flow. We'll look at some examples of workshop agendas and how they're used in different settings. Corporate workshops. Here, agendas often include team-building exercises, training sessions, and strategy discussions. Educational workshops. In educational contexts, agendas might focus on learning new skills, such as language learning or software training. That's all on workshop agendas. Remember, a well-planned agenda is key to a successful and productive workshop. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding the concept and importance of workshop agendas. Stay tuned for more insightful content, and thank you for watching.